Hello, this is Lisette Gonzalez. This is my web portfolio for Web 102. And this is all about me and my dream career or what I'm going to go for. And right here, right now, we are on my home page where just introducing myself, and there's a picture of me. Hi. And just going a little bit about myself, where I'm going to school, reasoning why I want to do computer software engineering. And right here is the resume, social media, HTML project, portfolio button, and contacts. All were pages of my website. And right here, I got the back to the top. So first we'll check on resume. Now you do see that there are two little separate pages with the resume for my work and then a resume for my education. So first we will see the resume for where I work. So right now, as you can see, is my name again and the resume of a little bit about myself, how I'm a hardworking, outgoing, energetic, and fast visual learner. I work as a cashier in my previous job, still working as a cashier now, but I'm also up to customer service. So now I'm learning more how to take care of customers a lot better, and so on and so forth. So here's some work experience. I used to work at Stouffer's at Kissel Hill and Roarstown Road, and right now I am working at Whole Foods. And there is my personal email, school email, phone number. We'll do one back to help real quick. And right here is a PDF file of my resume. We will click on that just so you can see it is present. So as we go along here, I will click on my social media. And I didn't want to do too much about social media. Like sometimes I don't really care about that much, but I have my Spotify and then the Intel or LinkedIn. That also works. And YouTube. I have a little saying I thought in my head with the social media growing and all that stuff. And now we will go to the top again. And there we go. Projects. So far I put in my HTML projects and for some that I've done so far this semester in Web 102. First we have the first table, just like a blank canvas. It's very simple, very normal. And then with a colored one, a little harder, but at least you see like a different color on each row, each column, and switching the alignment from right to left or center, so on and so forth. And then for the next one, the ordered list and then unordered list. With the ordered list, everything's in order, like numbered orderly, and then the unordered, it's just like bullet points, like square ones or open circled ones. For an unordered list, since it's kind of out of order. And here is a research essay, a research project I had done, and feel like I'm definitely proud of, because it definitely goes in more of what I am going for, just what I should look out for, like the threats of the internet. As you can see, the title says threats within the system. If you like, you can definitely click on that and read more about that, but let us keep on going. So I will go to my portfolio. So I am a drawer. I am a huge artist. I love drawing. That is my huge hobby. And so I wanted to show you more about what I like to create. I usually do go more into cartoons, comics, and all that stuff. As you can see here, my character I have definitely created. I've been creating her for years now. I've been drawing since middle school, and for me, I kind of feel like it's more of a hobby than a job. Definitely a lot of people definitely ask me that, saying, oh, why don't you pursue that as a career? I would, but I feel more comfortable just keeping it as a hobby because I like doing it here and there. And as you can see here, I'm also a huge fan of Dragon Ball, the series, right now. I like recreating the pages, the scenes, some popular pictures I would see on Instagram or anything like that. I would see it and I'm like, I want to try that. So, as you can see, I am definitely an artiste and love to draw. And we keep on going here. And finally, as you can see, I have contacts, my contact information. I have my email, both personal and school email, and then my address and then my phone number. And the little contact me, like if you wanted to leave something, like your email, name, and then send me a message of what you would like to know more, you can definitely do that. I will definitely be able to find that out, get an email or a notification about it, and contact anyone as soon as I can. And so we will scroll down here. And one of my favorite quotes I have definitely found by Arthur Ashe, or Ashe, says, "Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can." I find that very true and very, like, kind of relatable, especially to me, because I like starting where I am and then using what I have. Like, usually I don't ask for things, I just don't go for stuff. I use what I have to create what I can. Like, for example, my drawings, I don't have any markers, like colorful markers or crayons or anything like that. I have pencil and a black pen, and it still comes out great. And I still do what I can, like in the ending. And also on the side right here, you can see that the buttons for each page, the home, resume, social media, projects, and art portfolio. And then the little back to the top thing right there, so you can go back to the top for my contact information if you missed on that, and go. And then as you can see right here, I put my little YouTube and little other social media icons right there that you can definitely click on and definitely send me a message and see what you can like of that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you definitely enjoyed seeing my whole web portfolio.